So today we are going to start with linear equation with two variables chapter. Now as we heard the term linear equation, how can we define a linear equation? So firstly, let's say that an expression that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is an equation in which a, b and c are constants, means are variables, means they are variables, but they are not equal to 0. They are the numbers which are not equal to 0. So let's take as a, for example, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3, or c is equal to 6. Let's take as c is equal to 6. So let's infer this. So this will be 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now this expression is known as linear equation. Why it is known as linear equation? Because it has variable, it has constants, it has operators, so it is known as a linear equation. So the proper definition of linear equation is any expression which can be written in the form of this is known as linear equation, where value of a, b and c is not equal to 0. Okay, so this is what linear equation means. Now how can we find the solutions of linear equation? How can we find the solutions of linear equation? So let's say we have numbers such as 3x plus y is equal to 6. Now we have to assume some numbers. Okay, so let's assume that x is equal to 1. So by assuming this, if x is equal to 1, then 3 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 3, therefore y is equal to 3. Okay, so let's keep this aside. So if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3. Now let's take if x is equal to 2. Okay, so what will happen over here is 6 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 6, so y is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 0. Now let's say now let's take another solution, that is, see, we are deriving this, it means that we are finding solutions. Okay, so if x is equal to 3, so what will happen is equal to 6, so y is equal to 6 minus 9, so y is equal to minus 3. So if x is equal to 3, then y is equal to minus 3. Now after solving such things, we got the equations, we got the solution of this equation. We got the solution. Now this whole thing is known as solution. Okay, why it is known as solution? Because by assuming some of the numbers, we got the value of x and y. So we can say that this is the solution. Now how can we form graph? Okay, let's see how can we form graph. As by knowing that this is Cartesian plane, we have x, firstly we have x and y axis. So it is understood that we have to draw it on a Cartesian plane. Okay, so, and we also know that Cartesian plane has positive x, negative y and positive y. Let's name it. There are 3, okay? So 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. This will be minus. 1, 2 and 3. This all will also be minus, and 1, 2 and 3. This will be positive. Now we know how to plot points. So just by simply plotting points. So first point to be plotted is 1, 3. So where is 1? 1 is over here. This is 0. Okay. 1, 3. So this is our first point. Second point is 2, 0. So this is our 2, 0. The second point. And third point is 3, minus 3. Okay, so this is how we can plot the numbers on the graph. Now this equation, we got graph of this equation. Similarly, it can be given as in a form of a question that if this much chair is plus this much table is equal to this, then how much will be the number of chairs and tables? Okay, so this is how we can derive the formula. We can find the solution. We can plot graph with linear equation of two variables. Okay, so here we end this segment. So hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment down if there are any suggestions. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get my latest updates. Thank you.